Welcome to Tech and Home Chronicles, where smart living meets simple solutions. It's Tech Tuesdays, the day we break down the smartest gadgets to upgrade your home and lifestyle. Today we're checking out the Ring Battery Doorbell, the latest version of Ring's best-selling doorbell, now featuring head-to-toe video. Let's look at the good and the bad, so you can decide if it's worth it. The good starts with its new head-to-toe video view. You get 66% more vertical coverage compared to the older model, so you can clearly see packages left at your door and visitors from head to toe. It streams in 1080p HD with two-way talk, motion alerts, and live view right on your phone. Another plus is the built-in rechargeable battery with USB-C charging. Installation is simple. Just charge it up, click it into place, and connect through the Ring app. It also integrates seamlessly with Alexa, so you can get custom voice notifications or view the live feed on Echo Show devices. You also get smart alerts with a subscription, distinguishing between people and packages, and the option for 24/7 video recording if you're subscribed to Ring Protect. On the downside, without a subscription, you lose access to video history and many of the advanced alerts. Night vision works, but it's not as sharp as higher-end wired models. And while battery power is convenient, you'll need to detach it for charging every few months depending on use. So, is it worth it? If you're looking for an affordable, easy-to-install smart doorbell with a much-improved vertical view, the new Ring Battery Doorbell is an excellent choice. But if you want sharper night vision, faster notifications, and all features unlocked, you'll need to pay for a subscription or consider Ring's premium wired models. Check the description for the product link and possible deals. And as always, do your own research before buying. Like and subscribe for more quick, honest reviews. We cover a new category every day of the week, right here on Tech and Home Chronicles. Thank you very much, and I'll see you next time.